going up this or no?
I haven't. No, he did.
Good.
I went down it when I had to. Well, this is my first time down it since I had brake tires.
These are the times I wish I had the automatic, man.
Oh, fuck that. Don't be a puss.
Yeah. You just caught some air on your rear tire. You're not gonna go on that big one?
Yeah, no power steering. Can't get to it.
Oh. I didn't know you had that issue. Because you just hit your dip.
Yeah.
Wait, is he good to go?
Yeah, come on.
Oh. Oh, alright.
Pretty bad, actually. It's crazy how everything slides now.
Yeah.
He didn't avoid the rock either.
At all.
I think he moved it.
Yeah.